Get ready to dive into the saucy world of tomato ketchup. From vine to bottle, a journey of flavor awaits. Hey there, flavor enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a mouth-watering journey that takes us from the lush tomato fields to the iconic bottles on our tables. Yes, it's all about from vine to bottle, the making of tomato ketchup. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind that tangy goodness. From the tender care of farmers to the sizzling kettles in the factory, this adventure promises a deeper appreciation for the condiment we all know and love. So fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a saucy ride. Let's dive in. Growing tomatoes. Our journey begins in the heart of tomato country, where the art of crafting the perfect ketchup starts with the delicate process of growing tomatoes. Imagine acres of sun-kissed fields, each tomato vine swaying gently in the breeze. Here, skilled farmers nurture these ruby red gems from seed to maturity. Tomatoes are demanding, requiring just the right balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients. The journey begins with the planting of seeds, a moment filled with hope and anticipation. As the seedlings emerge, farmers provide meticulous care, ensuring the tomatoes receive the attention they need to flourish. When the time is right, it's harvest season. The fields come alive with activity as farmers, armed with nimble fingers, delicately pluck each ripe tomato from the vine. It's a labor of love, a testament to the dedication that goes into cultivating the key ingredient of our favorite condiment. Every tomato tells a story. From the first sprout to the final harvest, we're committed to bringing you the best, ensuring that every tomato destined for ketchup greatness is treated with care and respect. Harvesting. Now, let's delve into the exciting phase of harvesting. The moment these vibrant gems transition from the vine to our tables. Picture this, row after row of vibrant red tomatoes, each one a promise of flavor waiting to burst forth. Harvesting is an art, and these hardworking farmers are the artists. With a keen eye for ripeness, they carefully navigate the fields, hand-picking each tomato. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that only the juiciest sun-ripened fruits make the cut. Look at these beauties. These tomatoes are like nature's jewels, plump and bursting with flavor. The connection between the farmer and the fruit is palpable, a shared journey from seed to fruition. Harvest time is special. It's the culmination of hard work and patience. We take pride in selecting only the finest tomatoes, ensuring that each one destined for your ketchup bottle is a taste sensation waiting to happen. Transportation. Now that our tomatoes have been plucked from the vines, it's time for the next leg of their journey, transportation. Just like any good road trip, our tomatoes need a reliable ride to reach their destination, the processing facility. These trucks, like modern-day caravans, are the unsung heroes of the journey. Packed to the brim with crates of ripe tomatoes, they navigate the winding roads from the fields to the processing facility, ensuring the precious cargo arrives fresh and ready for the next steps. Driving these tomatoes is a responsibility I take seriously. The goal is simple: deliver them in the same top-notch condition as when they left the fields. It's like transporting a treasure, and I want each tomato to arrive at its destination as a gem. And here we are at the processing facility, the culmination of careful cultivation and a smooth journey. As the trucks pull in, they bring with them the essence of the fields, the promise of vibrant, flavorful tomatoes ready to be transformed into our beloved ketchup. Processing. Next step is the processing facility. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming those freshly harvested tomatoes into the delectable ketchup we all know and love. As our tomatoes make their entrance, the first order of business is meticulous sorting. Workers carefully inspect each tomato, ensuring that only the finest make it to the next stage. The goal? To create a symphony of flavors that will dance on your taste buds. Now prepare to be mesmerized as we step into the heart of the action, the cooking process. Giant kettles, reminiscent of cauldrons, simmer with a concoction of tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and a secret blend of spices. It's here that the alchemy of ketchup truly begins. Achieving that perfect balance is an art. We want the sweetness, the tanginess, and the savory notes to harmonize. Tasting and adjusting is a crucial part of the process, ensuring that every batch meets the high standards set for your favorite condiment. Once the flavors have reached their peak, it's time for the grand finale, bottling. The ketchup is carefully filled into bottles, sealed for freshness, and adorned with its iconic label. Cooking. Our next step is the cooking process. This is where the humble tomatoes take center stage and evolve into the rich, flavorful condiment we know and crave. Picture this: colossal kettles, each a cauldron of culinary magic, filled with a symphony of ingredients. Tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and a secret blend of spices come together in a dance of flavors. The room is filled with the tantalizing aroma of simmering goodness. Behind the scenes, skilled chefs meticulously stir the bubbling concoction, ensuring that each ingredient plays its part in creating the perfect balance. It's a delicate art that requires precision and expertise. As the mixture simmers, the flavors intensify, creating the signature taste of ketchup, the sweetness of ripe tomatoes, the tanginess of vinegar, and the savory dance of spices. It's a symphony for the taste buds. Packaging. Next, we are delving into the packaging process. The flavorful concoction we've crafted with care is now ready to be adorned in its iconic bottles, awaiting its place on your table. As the rich red ketchup flows from the cooking kettles, it's time for the meticulous packaging to commence. The process is a ballet of precision and efficiency, ensuring that each bottle is a masterpiece ready to embark on its final journey. Watch closely as skilled technicians oversee the filling and sealing of each bottle. The ketchup is handled with care, ensuring its freshness is locked in, ready to add that burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. The bottles glide along the conveyor belt, donning their labels with pride. It's a moment of satisfaction for the team, their hard work and dedication encapsulated in each perfectly packaged bottle. Every bottle is a testament to our commitment to quality. From the farm to the factory and now into your hands, we ensure that each bottle is a delightful experience waiting to happen. As we wrap up our journey from vine to bottle, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for that humble bottle of tomato ketchup on your table. From the care given to the tomatoes in the fields to the meticulous processes in the factory, it's a story of dedication and craftsmanship. The next time you savor that tangy burst of flavor, remember the farmers, truck drivers, factory workers, and chefs who played a part in bringing it to your plate. Food is not just nourishment, it's a story, and every bottle of ketchup has its own tale. Thank you for joining us on this saucy adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our tasty content. Until next time, happy ketchuping.